What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Momo from Barber Hairclippers, and today I got another package from Aliexpress which comes from China. I ordered new hair clippers and the brand is Kemei 1987 and I bought it for approximately $30, so it wasn't that much. So I'm just gonna unbox and give some comments to it, and I'm just gonna review the performance of this clipper. So let's get started. So it came in a nice package right here, and when you open it, it comes with two bubbles. So you can see, it comes in two bubbles, and the box comes in separately. It's kind of weird because there are two options on AliExpress where it comes with a box or without box, and I chose the one without box because, you know, I thought of it, it was slightly cheaper. It was like $5 cheaper, or 10 even. So I chose the one without box, but then they ended up sending the box itself separately. But this is kind of cool, and it just shows like what's in it. So this is the Kemei professional hair clippers, and the model is 1987. This is 2500 milliamperes and lithium cell, 3 hours charge, 300 minutes of continuous use. And the back side is just the gold. So there are two versions of this model, the silver one and gold one, and I chose gold one because it looks kind of cool. So I chose the gold one, and it just has just a bunch of different information regarding this product. It has display, power switch, adjustment, a blade adjuster, and professional cutter head. And this is the box. And it comes with the two bubbles right here. And let me open it up with this bubble right here. So it comes with different comb guards, and when you open it, there are 4 of them. Okay. So the first one is number 1 guard. So it's a 3 millimeters. So it's kind of blurry. Yeah, 3 millimeters. And the second guard is 1.5 millimeters. So this is going to be the 0 guard or 0.5 guard, which is kind of cool. Like normally the clippers don't include 0 guard, or not even like 1.5 guard. Like you have to buy separately from like Wall or something. Like I bought mine separately from Wall. And this one is, oh, okay, so it comes with 4.5, so 1.5 guards. And this is number 2 guard, which is 6 millimeters. That's great actually. So you can technically just fade with just these 4 guards. So you don't have to buy extra, so it's all inclusive. And there's of course a charger cable, and since I live in Germany, I'm using the EU plug. There are options to choose either the US plug or the UK, where depending on where you live, you can choose that. And also there's a tiny brush that you can like clean, or you can even use it for enhancement. This is pretty useful. I really like it. You know, this is what I use to, like, you know, take off the hair every haircut. It's pretty useful. Okay, so this is another bubble, and this is the main body. So it comes with the instruction manual. The instruction is written in English. It just has a bunch of information regarding this product. I think everything's pretty much basic information. Yeah, and the back side is just I don't know, they have a warranty card, but I don't know if they are actually going to have the warranty when you order from AliExpress, but check on that, because I usually don't need warranty for these. It's cheap enough. If it breaks, then I'll just get a new one. And here comes the body. Wow, this is actually beautiful. It's very heavy. Not gonna lie, this is very heavy. Heavier than the one I have, the Chinon cordless clippers. This is very heavy. It's made out of metal, I guess. Metal or steel or some sort of, yeah, metal. And it's very heavy. It's not made out of plastic for sure. It comes with the cover. And the blades are, I'll say, this is like a paint gold. Yeah, so it's paint gold. And adjustable lever. It's pretty stiff, but you can always adjust it from this screw. But it's stiff, but it's working, you know. And it has an emblem, which is it just says a Kemei 1987, made in China, professional hair clipper. And this is the side look. The blades are close together, and it is not really zero gapped, but you can always adjust it from here. And it has a charging port over here, and it has the light indicator for charging, or it could be, it might light when the battery is running out, but I have to see. And when you turn on, this light turns on. Yeah. The sound is pretty quiet. The motor is kind of stronger. I can feel the vibration in my hand, and this is pretty heavy. I actually like this weight. Like, it's very heavy, and I don't know. I might have to check it out and see if I get tired, my wrist or something. But so far, I actually like this feeling. Okay. Pretty cool. Okay, and right now I'm gonna go see and cut some hair and check it out, and I'm gonna test to see the performance of this clipper, so stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna give a taper fade in the back of my client's hair using Kemei 1987 gold that I just received from Aliexpress. I'm creating my first guideline right now, and I'm taking off the hair underneath, but so far it's going pretty smooth, and the blades cut pretty sharp by default. And I really like the weight. The weight helps me to kind of balance the wrist movement. So it kind of helps me to take off the hair as well, and I really like it. Okay, so I'm opening up the lever and I'm creating the second guideline, and you know, it's very smooth so far, and I think this clipper is very suitable for the beginner barbers, since it's very cheap, and also at the same time it does its job very well. So I highly recommend it. Just let me know what you think, or let me know which model, which clippers from AliExpress or other models that you are curious about. You know, like, you don't want to spend money but you want to know how it performs. Just leave down in the comment section below, and I can probably do the reviews when I unboxing videos, so before you purchase them. So just leave a comment down below and let me know what you are interested in looking for the next videos. And also the beats I use in this video I'll put in the description, so check it out. Those are pretty good. Thank you guys for watching. The cut was really smooth and I really like this clippers and it was very nice. I like the weight and I highly recommend, and I'll probably continue to use this clipper for a while. And yeah, I'll put the link in the description. If you're interested in buying those, just make sure to check out my description. And if you enjoy my video, make sure to subscribe. And if you want to see more of Chinese clippers lip review or like unboxing and performance test, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. And I'll see you soon. Peace.